Okay, a web browser is a way to view web pages. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. So on here you've got Internet Explorer.
Right.
The most popular web browsers at the moment are Google Chrome and Firefox and Internet Explorer, but since you haven't got Google Chrome or Firefox installed, we can use Internet Explorer for now. So you just double click the icon.
On launch internet.
Yep, launch Internet.
This one.
That's
Right.
it. Right. The information on the internet is contained in web pages and websites.
Right.
And to connect to the internet, you need an internet service provider. The address bar has the address of the website you're on. Every website has an address, which is also called a URL. So, for example, you already have a URL on here now. So if we want to go to a different website, we need to delete it. So in order to delete, you just have to double click it.
Right.
And then press delete on your keyboard.
Oh, that's a lot in one.
Yep.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to type in our website. Let's use BBC for an example.
Right.
So you need to start off with www. Do you know what that means?
World Wide Web.
That's right. So you start off www.
Right.
Dot. So that's going to be BBC.
BBC.
Yeah. Do you want to type it?
BBC.
That's it. And then that's followed by a dot. And then you need .co.uk, and that shows that it's a UK website. And then you have to press enter, or you can press this button here.
What, the green one or the
Yeah,
X?
the green one.
That one.
Because the X deletes it. And there you go, you're on the BBC webpage.
Oh.
Okay. Right, so our web browser also has a toolbar.
Right.
So this top bit is your toolbar, okay? You can use the toolbar buttons to move around websites and update pages. So for example, you have the home page. This takes you to your home page, so your default website.
Right.
You have the refresh button, so if you want to reload the page or update a page. You have the stop button to stop you going onto a website. You also have these buttons. This takes you back to the previous website, and this takes you forward to
Alright.
the other website. Okay. And this is your favourites. So if you want to add a website to your favourites, there's two ways of doing this. You can click here, and you go add to favourites, and look, it's already come up default title of the web page.
Alright.
You can click add.
Right.
Oh, this has already been added, but we can say yes.
Right.
Or you can do a keyboard shortcut, which is Control and D. So just hold it together.
Do them together.
Yeah, and there you go. It's come up again.
Right.
And yeah, that's how to use the toolbar.
Oh, right.
So now you're on a web page.
Yeah.
To explore inside a web page website, you need to click on links. This is called browsing or surfing the web. Click on links. I'll show you the links in a minute. A website is like a book which has a front cover or home page and lots of other pages, well, which are called web pages. So a link can take you to a web page in your website. A link can be in the form of a text, button, video. So for example, on the BBC website, you can click on this, which is a video. You have these hyperlinks here, which are in text, and this will take you to a new website within BBC News.
Alright.
See? And you can go back, which we discussed earlier. And you also have links in forms of images as well.
Alright.
So you can click on them too. Your cursor will change to a hand when it moves over a link. See that?
Alright, yeah.
And yeah, and that's how to move within a web page.
Alright.
The internet has millions of websites and web pages. You can search for almost anything. So to search for something effectively, it's a good idea to use a search engine. As you can see, we've got Google.
Alright.
So a search engine will scan through thousands of websites and web pages on the internet and collect and organise the information that it thinks is most relevant to you.
Right.
Some of the most popular search engines are Google, Yahoo and Bing, but we'll use Google for today.
Right.
Okay, so searching the internet using a search engine, we've already discussed how to enter onto a web page by using the address bar. So we're on Google now. To search, you have to type in keywords into the search box, which is here, and then press the search button.
Right.
So make sure you clicked on it first, because if you click out of it, obviously you can't put anything in. Yeah.
Right.
So you need to click onto the search bar.
Right.
Right, and then if you want to enter any keywords, so what would you like to search for?
Bluebell. Is that right?
Yeah.
Bluebell Railway.
Yep. You can do that.
Press it in.
Yep, that's it.
B-L-E. So I know this one. B-E-L-L.
Oh look, as you can see, it's come up with the most relevant results.
It's come up Bluebell Railway.
Yep, so you can just click on
So
that.
I'll click on that.
Yep,
There you go.
there you go.
It's lovely.
Yep. And now as you can see, it's come up with the most relevant and up-to-date links.
Right.
Now to open one of these web pages, you just simply need to click on the link.
I will go
So
to
whatever one's most relevant to you.
the extension.
And there you go. You've searched a web page.
That's good. Right.
And that's it.